Want to unlock all the powerful features in Dola AI? Yeah. From advanced AI bots to premium tools, getting access can really supercharge your workflow. In this guide, I'll show you how to unlock Dola AI features step by step. First, check if you're on a free or paid plan. Some features are only available in premium plans. Go to your account settings and look for your subscription details. Next, go to the Features or AI Bots section. Browse what's available. Some features may be locked behind upgrades, while others are ready to use immediately. If a feature is locked, click the Upgrade or Subscribe button. Follow the prompts to upgrade your plan. Payment options usually include credit card, PayPal, or other supported methods. Once your plan is upgraded, the premium features are automatically unlocked. Some may need to be activated manually in your workspace or AI bots section. Try out the new features to make sure they work as expected. Send prompts, generate content, or explore tools that were previously locked. This helps you get familiar quickly. Some features include additional settings. Customize them to fit your workflow, like adjusting AI behavior, notifications, or default outputs. And that's it. Check your account type, upgrade if needed, activate new features, test them, and customize settings. Unlocking Dola AI features gives you full power to work faster and smarter.